Tonight in a courthouse parking lot, a routine complaint turns into a full-blown crisis. A woman refuses to exit her car, claims police heard her before, and then, without warning, she floors it. Seconds later, 2 police cruisers are hit, and an officer nearly gets run over. It's just before 6 p.m. in Alliance, Ohio. Police respond to the courthouse parking lot after a man calls in saying a woman is deliberately pinning his vehicle in, stopping him from filing a police report, and stopping him from leaving. The woman in the car is 31-year-old Kayla Ryder. The man outside is the complainant, calm, cooperative, trying to explain why he came to the courthouse. And officers quickly realize this isn't just an argument. Kayla is agitated, paranoid, and refusing basic commands. Watch how quickly the mood changes, especially the moment Kayla stops talking and starts driving.
Roll your window down. If you don't okay, I am going to arrest you for obstructing. I am going to arrest you. I promise you I am. If you don't exit the vehicle,
You're not touching me.
If you don't exit the vehicle, I am arrested.
Hurry up and get here.
You can call whoever you want. If they interfere, they're going to jail too. Come out of the car or you are under arrest.
He needs to stay away from me.
48 headquarters. Stay right here.
Okay.
Headquarters. So you were coming here to file a complaint?
Yeah.
And she tried preventing you?
Yes.
How did she try to prevent you?
She's blocking me in. She's trying to...
Okay.
Back with the suspect, another officer looks to calm down the situation.
No. Get him away from me. Get him away from me now. They already beat me the f up a week ago. Do not let him near me.
I'll be out with 48.
My foot's still do not let them near me.
Who? Who? These people?
No, my this cop and other cops they tackled me a week ago. Do not let them near me.
Okay. Why'd they tackle you a week ago?
Because I called them because my son's dad's been trying to take my kid from me.
Okay.
He needs to stay away from me, please. We already made a police report. They're trying to victim shame me and not make me make a report.
Okay.
He needs to stay away from me, please. He's not letting my son talk to me.
How old's your son?
Great, and I haven't spoken to him since last Sunday.
Okay. Can you roll down the window a little bit?
He blocked my phone number.
Okay. Who is
My
this
son's
to?
dad.
Okay.
I was just on the phone with the sheriff.
Okay.
And the sheriff said you guys can't do anything since it's an alliance, but I don't trust you guys after that
Okay.
happened.
Okay.
He needs to give me my son.
If I'm able.
I asked them if I could talk to my son.
Okay.
This is your business. You go over there.
See, that's my sister. Do not let him touch her. Do not let him touch her. Do not let him touch her.
He's not gonna touch her.
Do not let him
Calm
touch
down.
her. No, tell him to stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out the window.
Why are you guys trying to arrest
I'm going to break out the window if you don't exit.
Can I speak to you?
No, you can go over there.
Why are you guys trying to arrest me?
If you don't back up, you're not standing behind us.
Okay, I'm not standing behind you.
No! .48 headquarters. She's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck Olivia. Now she's got the collar pinned in. No, stay the f back! Get out of the car! On the ground! On the ground!
Get on the ground! Stop it! Stop
Face on your belly!
No.
Get on your belly!
No, look at my hand!
Get on your belly!
Your stomach!
Get on your Get on your belly! Get on your belly! Taser! Taser! Get on your belly!
Oh, no!
Taser!
Get on your back!
On your back.
Put your hands behind your back!
Get off of me! Do not do this to me again! I told you guys I didn't trust you!
Kayla is tasered a second time as police work to wrangle in the suspect.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Quit!
Here, use these.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! I'm not doing anything! I am not doing anything in this again! You guys
Hurry up.
did it again! Let go of my wrist, psychos! Hey! Yeah, you
Don't you move or you're getting zapped again.
You are such an abuser! You are a abuser! Do not zap me just because I called you a abuser. No! Can you not? He needs to stay
Away from me. I already talked to you guys about this. Like, give me my medications. Get off. No! You're trying to take my purse again. Stop!
Cut it off.
No!
We will cut it off.
Bondoni, no!
Any issues.
Let me have.
Do you want me to
Kayla,
cut off your
We're
purse?
way past that.
No, it's not. When he just tasered me.
We will cut it off
Look
if
at
you
my
don't give it
ankle
to
because
us.
of you guys last time too.
We're taking it off. If you don't want to give it to us, we're going to cut it off. Do you
It's
understand?
fine.
Give me your knife.
It's why are you guys doing this?
battery's dead.
Why are you guys?
You want to
doing
play these
things?
stupid games? We're
No,
just going to cut
because
it
you're
off.
pressing back. Oh my god. You guys. No, you did.
Nope, that's all you, girl.
I told you what was gonna.
Okay, and you ran. I'm
did.
not gonna help you.
Because this is what happens to me every time.
Yeah,
I try to
because you act like that.
No, because I want.
No,
my
it's
son.
because you act like that.
No, it's not. I was trying to turn my car off if you guys would let me.
Yeah, that's why you rammed in my cruiser
Ian ran into my cruiser.
and almost ran me over.
Yeah, you guys want to say that because my sister came down here to save me.
Yeah, my body cam has it all, honey.
I know, and your body cam has.
Officers decide it's time to get Kayla in a patrol car. Let's see how that goes.
Let's get her in a f***ing car.
No, stop!
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney with you during a questioning. If you can't afford to hire one won't be provided for you. You have the right to stop and answer a question anytime.
Don't you try anything.
Give me my medicine!
No.
No! Oh my god! No! Let go! You're allowing them to break my arm!
Get in the f***ing car.
I hate him.
Get in the car.
I don't let him touch me! You piece of shit! My hand's gonna break again!
Well,
Get away!
life's choices.
So, are you kidding me? Get the f away, sicko!
This is the victim. He came to file a report. She pinned him in and wouldn't let him out of the door.
I tried to help you, Leslie. I'm sorry.
Slice my knuckles open that window. You're going to jail. That's where you're going. I promise you are.
Kayla is secured in the patrol car while one officer decides to have a few words with that other woman.
Do you understand that your sister's a grown woman? Our officers almost just got hit by her car because she's nuts.
I got scared. I don't know what you had out on you, but when you pulled the first thing out, I thought you had a gun at her, so that's why I came forward. And I've never seen any of my family members be shot or have a gun pulled out on them, so I'm
And
sorry
fortunately,
I reacted like
fortunately,
that.
I've never shot anybody.
Okay, but I'm sorry I reacted like that. You have to understand, I've never seen anything like this, and this has been a lot on me.
I can imagine. Do you understand that by this situation, your involvement up to this point right now
Yeah.
gets you a trip to the Stark County Jail?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Please. No, I just...
Is this a learning experience?
Yes, please.
Is this ever going to happen again?
No, I promise you.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Please do not
Get out of the car.
The officer sends the woman on her way, while another officer checks back in with the man Kayla was allegedly trying to pin in.
I got temporary custody because she had an incident about 2 weeks ago where she resisted arrest.
Okay.
They killed some people. My son tried to call 911. She hit him and pushed him down. That's why I came here today, was to check on that and make sure. Because they did something strange. I said I wanted to file a report, and they had me just talk to somebody over the phone.
Okay.
They don't, it doesn't seem right. I want to go there, I want to file it, I want to write it down. I want to
Right.
make sure it's written down.
You actually want to do a statement?
Yeah, she's talking with him.
Yeah, I've been trying real hard.
Yeah, he said that there's another case that he's coming to check. He was coming here to file a complaint against her for hitting his son. He was also wanting to check on another complaint that he had made. Dispatch said he was likely working with Wells. I'm unsure because it's not finished or whatever, I don't know. When I got here listening to the 911 call, I could hear tapping. And I could hear
I
him.
can hear the tapping on
And
the
then
window.
I see her right here. She's preventing him from exiting the car. He's being as cool as a cucumber, hanging out inside, but she's antagonizing. I mean, she had him pinned in back here.
I could hear her out there.
She tried opening the doors too. Opening the doors. I've been having trouble for a couple months because they have not wanted to charge her, and it's hard for me to get custody.
Give me one second.
Why she want me? Is there a female?
So as to say she's sorry for hitting your car.
Please tell them to stay away from me. They think I'm on drugs and I'm not. I literally just.
Hey,
I am.
listen, hold still. I have sharp in my hand. I don't want to get poked, and I don't want you to get poked.
Yeah, they want me to get in trouble. They set me the up. I was on the phone with the sheriff. You guys knew what you were doing this whole time.
Okay.
They busted my face. They don't care what the fuck they do.
Prongs.
Look at my wrist from last time.
All right, hold still. I'm still looking.
Please. Look at my wrist from what they did to me last time. Do not
When
let them
was that?
on the 11th.
All right, can you turn back around for me?
They are not allowed to touch me. I told them, do not touch me, do not touch me, do not touch me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I have PTSD.
Somebody on the other side?
What's that?
Somebody on the other side?
Yeah.
No, leave me alone.
Okay, hang tight.
Do you want me to fix your dress?
Why did you do this?
Well, why'd you run me over?
I did not.
Would you like me to fix your dress or no? I will fix your dress for you.
If you would, but I don't
Okay.
want I want my son.
Okay, well, right now, we're not worried about your son. We're worried about making sure.
I already talked to my therapist today and my doctors from the place. So why can't there was you guys can't do anything when I'm not there. I have no way to even get a hold of anybody to figure out that no contact order was even there. I want my son. You can't just take my son and my cat from me.
Right now, I mean, you're going to jail. You know that, right?
Why? Because you guys did this.
You did that. I'm pretty sure you did that. You wrecked into my cruiser.
Quit trying to turn this around on me. You saw it shows him running out.
All right, let's pause here for a moment. What you just watched was intense, chaotic, and emotional. So before jumping to conclusions, let's slow this down and break it apart, calmly and step by step. This isn't about picking a side. It's about understanding how a situation that didn't have to end violently turned into felony charges, taser deployments, and jail time. This case is not just about a woman being emotional. It's not just about police using force. And it's not just about a custody dispute. What makes this incident important is how multiple small decisions, made under stress, stacked on top of each other, until there was no safe exit left. Let's reduce everything down to the undisputed actions on both sides. Here's what police responded to. A man reported that he was being blocked in at a courthouse parking lot. He said he was physically prevented from leaving and filing a report. That alone matters, because stopping someone from leaving can legally cross into unlawful restraint, even without touching them. Now here's what officers encountered. Kayla Ryder inside a running vehicle, refusing to lower her window, refusing to exit, repeatedly accusing officers of past abuse, repeatedly stating she did not trust them. Up to this point, everything is still verbal, tense but recoverable. Then came the pivot point. Kayla accelerated. Police vehicles were struck, and at least one officer was nearly hit. From a legal standpoint, that single decision changed everything. This is the moment many viewers miss. A car is not just transportation. In law enforcement, a moving vehicle is considered a potential deadly weapon. Once Kayla attempted to flee, the call shifted from obstruction to public safety. Officers no longer had the option to wait it out. Every second increased the risk to officers and bystanders. This is why force escalated so quickly afterward. Not because of what Kayla said, but because of what she did with the vehicle. Tasers are not punishment tools. They are compliance tools, used to stop resistance and prevent further harm. In this case, the first taser was used after the vehicle assault. The second was used when Kayla continued resisting commands on the ground. That doesn't automatically mean everything was perfect or flawless, but it does explain the officer's justification in real time. They believed they were dealing with a suspect who had just used a vehicle aggressively and might do so again. This is also why officers refused to give her phone, purse, or medication immediately. Control and safety come first during a violent arrest. Now let's be clear about something important. From Kayla's perspective, this likely did feel like abuse. She believed police had mistreated her before. She was being ignored and dismissed. She was fighting to be heard about her child. Everyone was against her. That mindset doesn't make her actions lawful, but it does explain why she panicked instead of cooperating. This is how fear turns into resistance, and resistance turns into charges. The moment her relative stepped in, the situation became even more dangerous, not because the relative meant harm, but because police attention was divided. Officers now had to watch Kayla, watch the vehicle, watch a third party approaching suddenly. That split focus is exactly how officers get hurt or overreact. This is why the officer later explained it clearly. Interfering rarely helps, it usually escalates. There were 3 clear exit ramps in this situation. Lowering the window and communicating. Even partial cooperation buys time and reduces threat perception. Exiting the vehicle when ordered. Once you step out, the car stops being a weapon. Not fleeing. The moment Kayla drove forward, the outcome became almost unavoidable. This isn't about being right. It's about understanding that in police encounters, control of fear matters more than proving a point. Kayla didn't start the day expecting to go to jail. She didn't drive to the courthouse planning to be tased. But one decision, made in panic, rewrote the entire narrative. And that's the hardest truth of bodycam footage. You can be emotional. You can feel wronged. But once safety is threatened, the system responds first and explains later. If you want more neutral breakdowns like this, where we slow down viral bodycam footage and explain what actually changed the outcome, make sure you're subscribed. And here's a question to think about before the next video. At what exact moment do you think this situation became irreversible? Was it the refusal, the distrust, or the instant the car moved? Because in our next bodycam breakdown, we'll look at a case where someone made the opposite choice and how it completely changed the ending. Thanks for watching, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next one.